Við erum stödd hérna í Kjósarskarðinu. Hérna, hello. Það er kalt hérna. Við ætlum að labba hérna fossi. This is Kjósarskarð. This is the road from Mosfellsheiði. This is over there, road to Þingvellir. And down here to Hvalfjörður, which is on this side. Here in the canyon, here down, oops, there is a waterfall called Þórufoss. Maybe it's frozen. Kannski ekki góður skór að labba í svona. Það rennur bara, þú ert í fínum skóm. Áin öll frosin. Áin hérna niðri. Frosin eða. Hann er frosin. This is the waterfall, he is frozen. Okay, we are trying to get down. Maybe I am not in the best shoes for it. Yeah, we are down in the canyon. As you can see, it's frozen. It's very slippery. A lot of snow, beautiful weather. Listen to the water. Ég held það. Þetta er örugglega jörðin, sko. See you lot!